Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be my room tour slash my accommodation tour, because this is actually one of the videos that was highly requested by you guys. So I would like to show you what kind of accommodation I live in and what kind of rooms that international students actually live in. So let's take a look. So now we are on the first floor. This actually on this floor we have study space, and if you want to study, this room is actually really quiet and it's perfect place for you to concentrate on study. Also at the same time there's sofa and there's also like a small group study space where you can have a discussion kind of thing, but normally it's super quiet so you can't really talk, but let's see. Okay, so that was first floor, and my room is 25th floor, so let's go. And this is actually room number. We have up to 31st, which is like really tall building. I mean, in Japan we don't have ground floor. First floor is ground floor in the UK. So technically, first floor is second floor in Japan. That was completely unnecessary information. Okay, so this is my floor, and actually there are many types of rooms, and my room is called either not on suit or on suit, which is basically
Not on suit, yours is not on suit.
not on suit.
No. Yeah.
On suit.
No, not on suit.
Not
Yours
on suit.
yours is not on
Mine
suit.
is not on suit.
Yes.
In the UK we have many different types of rooms, but mine is not on suit apparently. And basically I share kitchen and toilet and shower room, so my room is really tiny, but yeah, let's just take a look. So normally we have a lot of doors like this. In order to open the door, you need to have this small key. Okay, so this is my room.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh. So it's not very special. Just a normal room, very small. I wouldn't say like very small, it's more than enough for one person. But I love this view from here. It's actually really nice, especially at night. You can actually take a look at the London Eye and Big Ben as well, which is one of my favorite parts of this room. Normally, I wake up and I wash my face here, and this is just my desk. Oh, and I also have this thing. I don't know how it's called. Blind. So yeah, if you want to sleep until noon or something, I always do this to shut the lights off.
Nice.
Other than that, I actually this is the fan that I bought for summer, because like last summer was super hot.
Yeah, terrible.
You had a heat wave, but this summer it wasn't. So I bought this for summer, hoping that it was gonna be extremely boiling, but it wasn't. So I ended up not using it a lot.
You can give it to me.
Yeah. This wallpaper. This is nice. Tower Bridge wallpaper is one of the things I love the most. And we also have this AC here, which is only for the heater. And the thing about this is it warms the floor up only, so we don't have any like AC upstairs or nothing. And to be fair, it is not working. It's not doing a really good job. So in winter, you want to bring a lot of clothes and blanket and everything like this. And we also have this like storage and this closet. So we have a lot of storage place and shelves which are not making the best use of it, but I think it's really convenient.
Bathrooms.
Oh, bathrooms, yeah. So this is not like really. This is bathroom and toilet. My flatmate who lives there already, she has already left. So this is only me who is using bathroom and shower room, which is, as it looks like, more than enough for one person actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we came to the 10th floor, which is Imogen's floor. I did the accommodation tour.
Do you want to tour my room?
Yeah.
Okay, but it's really messy. I have to clean it quickly. Stop, shut it.
Yeah, it's okay. Take your time.
Alright.
Can I film now?
Yeah. Just don't get any of this stuff in it. Let me just make it nice. Like this. I went for an orange theme to feel like warm and stuff during the winter.
Oh.
Is that good?
Nice.
So cute.
But to be honest, I have more views.
Yeah, because you're higher.
Yeah.
I love that you have
Okay guys, so this is a kitchen and it's quite messy because people are moving out recently. But we have 3 big fridges. This is the one, big one. And then these 2 are also the fridges. We have a lot of storage here, but to be honest, it's fully occupied because we share everything. And I think there are actually 10 people who is sharing this kitchen or even more. So it's actually quite a lot, but I really love to cook with everyone and eat and chill out here with nice chair, with a nice view. We often have birthday party, cooking party, all of this kind of thing. And we have monthly inspection once a month pretty much. So we have to keep the kitchen clean, not like this. But yeah. So nice.
So you're the first to say, yeah, exactly. Now you
How do you feel about it?
Okay.
better like